This is Anna. Anna is a young woman. She is 25 years old. Anna lives in a very big city. The city is busy and noisy, but Anna likes it a lot. She has a small apartment. The apartment is on the fourth floor. It has two nice windows. From her window, she sees a park. The park has tall green trees. It also has red and yellow flowers. Anna wakes up early every day. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. She is an early bird. First, Anna washes her face. Then she brushes her teeth. She puts on her clean clothes. Anna goes to the small kitchen. She makes breakfast for herself. She eats toast and drinks hot coffee. The hot coffee wakes her up. She is ready for the day. Anna has a very good job. She works in a big library. The library is in the center of the city. Anna loves books very much. She likes old books and new books. She likes stories about magic and animals. She walks to the library every morning. The walk takes 20 minutes. She likes to walk in the fresh air. On the way, Anna sees many people. She sees children walking to school. She sees dogs walking with their owners. Anna opens the library at 8 o'clock. She turns on all the lights. She opens the big wooden doors. Many people come to the library today. Some people read books quietly. Some people work on their computers. Anna helps the people. She finds good books for them. She answers their questions with a big smile. At 12 o'clock, Anna has lunch. She goes to a small cafe. The cafe is next to the library. Anna meets her friend at the cafe. Her friend's name is Ben. Ben works in a big bank. Ben is tall and wears glasses. He is very friendly and funny. He always makes Anna laugh. Anna eats a sandwich and a red apple. Ben eats hot tomato soup. They talk about their busy morning. After lunch, Anna goes back to work. The library is very busy in the afternoon. Many students come to study. Anna puts books on the shelves. She sorts the books by color and name. She likes her work to be tidy. At 5 o'clock, the library closes. Anna turns off the bright lights. She locks the big wooden doors. Anna goes back to her apartment. She is very tired but happy. She likes her quiet evenings at home. Tonight, Anna wants to cook dinner. She looks inside her cold fridge. She has chicken, rice, and fresh vegetables. She cooks the chicken in a hot pan. She boils the white rice in a pot. The food smells very good. Anna eats her dinner at a small table. She listens to soft, happy music. She drinks a glass of cold water. After dinner, Anna washes the dirty dishes. She cleans the kitchen table. She likes a very clean house. Then, Anna sits on her comfortable sofa. She takes a book from her bag. It is a new and exciting story. She reads the book for 1 hour. The story is very interesting. It is about a brave sailor in the sea. At 10 o'clock, Anna goes to bed. She turns off the small lamp. She sleeps very well all night. The next day is Saturday. Anna does not work on Saturday. It is her free day off. The weather is beautiful today. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. The sky is a very deep blue. Anna decides to visit the street market. The market is very big and loud. It sells fruits, vegetables, and beautiful clothes. Anna takes a large blue bag with her. She walks slowly to the bus stop. She waits for the city bus. The bus comes in 5 short minutes. Anna pays the bus driver. She sits on a seat near the window. The bus goes through the busy city. Anna looks at the tall, gray buildings. She sees many colorful little shops. Anna arrives at the big market. It is very crowded with many people. People are buying and selling things everywhere. First, Anna buys some fresh, sweet fruit. She buys red apples and yellow bananas. She buys round orange fruits too. Next, she visits a small flower shop. The flowers are very beautiful and smell nice. She buys some pink roses for her table. Then, Anna sees a small clothing stall. She sees a nice white sun hat. She buys the hat for the hot summer. Anna is feeling hungry now. She buys some fresh bread and cheese. She eats them on a wooden bench in the sun. Suddenly, Anna hears a small, quiet noise. It comes from an old cardboard box. The box is behind the wooden bench. Anna looks inside the old box. She sees a little, scared puppy. The puppy is brown and black. The puppy looks very sad and lonely. It is very cold and hungry. It does not have a caring mother. Anna feels very sorry for the poor puppy. She gently picks the small dog up. The puppy's fur is very soft. "Hello, little dog," says Anna softly. "Where is your family today?" The puppy licks her warm hand. Anna asks the busy people at the market, "Is this your small puppy?" she asks them. But no one knows the lost puppy. Anna decides to take the puppy home with her. She puts him carefully in her blue bag. The tired puppy goes to sleep. Anna takes the bus back to her small apartment. She carries the heavy bag gently. She does not want to wake him up. When they arrive home, Anna gives the puppy water. He drinks the cold water very fast. He is a very thirsty dog. Then, Anna gives him some plain cooked chicken. The puppy eats all the good food. He wags his small, short tail. "I will call you Toby," Anna says to him. Toby looks up at her face. He barks a happy little bark. Toby needs a warm and safe bed. Anna finds a soft, thick blanket. She puts the blanket in a comfortable box. Toby sleeps deeply in the new box. Anna watches him sleep for a long time. She is very happy to have a new friend. The weekend is finally over. Tomorrow, Anna will go back to the library. Toby will wait for her at home. Anna turns off the bedroom light. She smiles in the dark, quiet room. It is the perfect end to a good week.